Don't just know people by their names. Know them by heart. Meaning, kilalanin mo sila na mas malaliman. Alam mo, most of the people na nakakasalamuha mo everyday, hindi mo alam or hindi ka aware na sila pala yung maaaring magkaroon ng malaking impact sa buhay mo. But you never really tried to connect with them. Alam nyo, minsan iniisip natin na talagang we can live by ourselves. Pero hindi yun yung katotohanan eh. We need other people also. By connecting to other people, by knowing their stories, knowing their history, we can almost share the same experience that we have with them and vice versa. May mga pinagdaanan sila na hindi mo na kailangan pagdaanan kasi naikwento niya na sa'yo, alam mo na kung paano gagawin kapag ka nandun ka sa same situation. Hindi ka na mahirapan. Vice versa, ganun din. Maaaring sila, naghahanap sila ng solusyon dun sa sitwasyon na meron sila, pero ikaw, since na-experience mo na, maaaring may silang tulungan. Napaka-importante to share experiences with others. Kasi it shortens the time. It also makes things easier. Bakit? Kasi instead of you thinking of a possible solution to a problem that you might encounter the same as them, automatically you have the answer already. Hindi mo na kailangan pagdaanan personally yung mga bagay na yun, yung mga situation na yun. For you to be mature, for you to understand what you should do at that very moment. Kaya nga, I find it interesting to know the biography of people. Paano sila nag-start, paano sila lumago, paano sila naging successful. Kasi by knowing what happened in their life, it's as if you already lived their full life. Kumbaga parang nabuhay ka na rin sa katayuan nila without even sacrificing the years na maaari mong ma-experience kung ano na-experience nila. In just a matter of minutes, sa pagbasa ng biography nila, di ba? Maaari mo nang malaman, maaari mo nang ma-experience yung mga bagay na na-experience nila. And the knowledge and the wisdom na na-acquire nila, maaari mo na rin ma-acquire. Why? Because you have already you have already known their story. Alam mo na yung storya nila, kaya alam mo na yung gagawin mo if ever nalagay ka sa same situation as them. Kaya nga, napaka-importante talaga na we recognize that we need other people also in order to make us more mature and even faster than we should be. Kadalasan kasi na-take for granted natin, na feeling natin hindi natin kailangan ng ibang tao para mas bumilis tayo mag-grow. Pero that's why mentoring works, that's why coaching works. Kasi instead of you experiencing what they have experienced before, they can just teach you what to do if ever you're in the same situation as them without spending so much time, so much effort, so much resources. Napakaganda ng benefit na ibibigay sa'yo. You can be more mature, faster, and easier. Kasi sa ngayon, hindi na uso yung long way. Kadalasan gusto natin shortcut. And this is one of the pinaka-importante or pinaka-magandang shortcut na pwede nating matutunan. Pinaka-magandang technique, Mas maganda yung ganitong klaseng technique para mas mapabilis natin yung growth na inaasam natin. So, don't just know people by name. Know them by heart. And what I mean by heart is to connect with them. Know their story. Know their backgrounds. And then, from them, you will learn.